In this video, I'm going to be doing some turkey hunting and planting potatoes. So first, I'll show you a clip of me turkey hunting the other morning. Right here I have a bunch of potatoes, so I'm gonna plant them all out. They've already sprouted. These were extras from last year. So I already made a trench there, so I'm gonna be putting them in this trench. Right now there's a pretty big storm coming, so I gotta hurry up and fill up the potatoes. I just got done hilling up the potatoes. I didn't put them too deep because it's not that cold now, but it's been pretty dry, so it should do well because there's a pretty big storm coming, so that'll be good. So that's it for this video, just planting some potatoes.